Imagine a world where you can test your defenses before attackers strike. A world where you are always one step ahead of cyber threats. That's the power of ethical hacking, a proactive approach to cybersecurity. And Metasploit is your key to this world, unlocking a suite of powerful tools. It's a framework packed with tools for penetration testing, designed to uncover vulnerabilities. Think of it as a digital testing ground to find and fix vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. It's like having a virtual playground for security testing. Metasploit is user-friendly, even for beginners, making it accessible to everyone. It offers a command line interface for those who prefer precision and control, and a graphical interface for ease of use, catering to all skill levels. Whether you're a security enthusiast or an IT professional, Metasploit empowers you to think like a hacker, to anticipate and counteract threats. It's about proactively protecting systems and data, ensuring safety and security. With Metasploit, you can simulate real-world attacks and strengthen your defenses, making your systems more resilient. This framework is an invaluable asset in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, a must-have for anyone serious about defending against cyber threats. Let's break down the core components of Metasploit: exploits, payloads, and encoders. Exploits are like the keys that unlock vulnerabilities in software. They target weaknesses, allowing you to gain access. Payloads are the actions taken after exploiting a vulnerability. Imagine them as the instructions you leave behind. Want to open a shell, grab passwords, or escalate privileges? That's what payloads do. Encoders mask the exploit's code, making it harder for security systems to detect. They're like camouflage, helping your exploits slip past defenses. Exploits, payloads, and encoders work together seamlessly within Metasploit. Ready to dive in? You'll need a controlled environment, a hacking lab. Kali Linux, a security-focused operating system, is perfect for this. It comes pre-installed with Metasploit and other penetration testing tools. Setting up Metasploit on Kali Linux is straightforward. Open your terminal and type. Metasploit will launch, ready to use. Remember, your hacking lab should be isolated from your main network. This prevents any accidental damage during your ethical hacking exercises. Virtual machines are your friends here. They provide a safe and isolated environment for practicing your skills. With Metasploit and Kali Linux set up, you're ready to explore the world of ethical hacking. Let's walk through a basic exploit using Metasploit. Our target a vulnerable system with an outdated version of a web server. First, fire up in your Kali Linux terminal. Now, let's find the right exploit. Type. Choose an exploit and type. Next, set the target with. Before launching the exploit, select a payload. A simple one is, this gives you a remote shell on the target. Finally, type. If successful, you'll have access to the target system. Remember, this is just a basic example. Real-world scenarios can be more complex. Real-world scenarios. Section 5. The Ethical Hacker's Oath, Permission and Responsibility. Ethical hacking is a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility and accountability. Always obtain explicit written permission before testing any system or network. Unauthorized access is illegal and unethical, and can lead to severe consequences. Your goal is to identify and help fix vulnerabilities, not to cause harm or disruption. Respect data privacy and confidentiality at all times. Treat any information you access during testing as highly sensitive and secure. Document your findings meticulously and report them responsibly to the appropriate parties. Remember, ethical hackers are the good guys, working for a safer digital world. Your actions can protect individuals and organizations from cyber threats and potential harm. Section 6. Beyond the basics. Advanced Metasploit techniques. As you become more comfortable with Metasploit, explore its advanced features. Learn about Metasploit, a powerful post-exploitation tool. It allows you to control compromised systems, gather information, and even pivot to other machines on the network. Dive into auxiliary modules, which offer a wide range of capabilities beyond exploits. These modules can help you scan for vulnerabilities, brute force passwords, and even perform social engineering attacks. Mastering evasion techniques is crucial for bypassing security measures. Learn how to craft custom payloads and use encoders to make your attacks more stealthy. The more you explore Metasploit, the more you'll discover its versatility. Section 7. Case Studies. Real-world applications of Metasploit. Metasploit has been instrumental in uncovering and mitigating real-world vulnerabilities. Security researchers use it to test the security of popular software and hardware. By simulating attacks, they can identify weaknesses and report them to vendors for patching. Penetration testers rely on Metasploit to assess the security posture of organizations. They use it to identify vulnerabilities in networks, systems, and applications. Their findings help organizations strengthen their defenses and prevent potential breaches. Law enforcement agencies leverage Metasploit in digital forensics investigations. It helps them analyze compromised systems, gather evidence, and track down cybercriminals. Metasploit plays a vital role in bringing cybercriminals to justice. Section 8. Staying ahead of the game. Keeping your skills sharp. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge daily, and attackers are always finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities. To stay ahead of the game, you need to continuously update your skills and knowledge. Attend industry conferences and workshops to learn from experts and network with peers. Participate in online forums and communities to stay informed about the latest threats and vulnerabilities. Practice your skills regularly in your hacking lab. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become with Metasploit and other ethical hacking tools. Remember, the key to success in cybersecurity is continuous learning and improvement. Section 9. The future of ethical hacking, trends and predictions. As technology advances, so too will the methods of cyber attacks, becoming more sophisticated and harder to detect. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being increasingly used by both attackers and defenders, creating a constant arms race in cybersecurity. Ethical hackers need to stay ahead of the curve by understanding these emerging technologies and continuously updating their skills. The Internet of Things presents a growing attack surface, with each connected device being a potential entry point for cyber threats. As more devices become interconnected, securing them becomes paramount to protect personal and organizational data. Ethical hackers will play a crucial role in identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities in IoT devices, ensuring the safety of our increasingly connected world. Cloud computing introduces new security challenges, with data being stored and accessed from multiple locations. Ethical hackers need to understand cloud security architecture and tools to effectively assess and secure cloud environments, protecting sensitive information. The future of ethical hacking is dynamic and full of exciting challenges, requiring constant vigilance and innovation to stay ahead of emerging threats. Section 10. Conclusion. Embrace the challenge. Secure the digital world. Metasploit is an indispensable tool for anyone serious about cybersecurity. It offers a comprehensive suite of features that allow professionals to simulate attacks and test defenses. It empowers ethical hackers to identify and mitigate vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. This proactive approach is crucial in staying ahead of potential threats. By mastering Metasploit, you're not just learning a tool, you're embracing a mindset. This mindset is essential for anyone looking to make a significant impact in the field of cybersecurity. It's a mindset of proactivity, of thinking like an attacker to defend against attacks. This approach helps in anticipating and neutralizing threats before they can cause harm. It's about understanding that cybersecurity is not a destination, but a continuous journey of learning, adapting, and improving. The landscape of digital threats is ever evolving, and so must be our skills and knowledge. So, dive into the world of Metasploit, explore its capabilities, and hone your ethical hacking skills. The more proficient you become, the better you can protect and secure digital environments. The digital world needs more guardians, and you can be one of them. Your expertise can make a significant difference in safeguarding information and systems. Embrace the challenge, secure the digital world, and make a difference. Your efforts can lead to a safer, more secure digital future for everyone.